Well, here we are with this week's video of Awareness Tai Chi and the Continuing Classroom Classics. I'm still Kevin, and on the brighter side, we remembered to turn on our studio lights this time. You may have noticed last week was not quite so bright. We didn't realize until we were doing the editing that we didn't even have the studio lights on. So we got that all figured out. That's the last time we take such a long break from doing videos. So we're going to get on with moves 46 and 47, strike tiger left, strike tiger right. So hang in there, we'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to get right into this here with this week's moves. Strike tiger left, strike tiger right. It's a sequence that's only done once in the set. So the strike tiger left and right are only done once in the set. And we're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you from a few different angles. There's a few different alignments that you want to pay attention to when you're going into this particular move. And I'm going to explain some of the foundations that it incorporates as well. And it might give you an idea as to why we do some of those foundation exercises in preparation for the moves. Okay, so we finished off with the kick with right foot. So we'll just go from there. So from the deflect parry punch, you come up, open, kick. Now when you put this foot down, you relax and place the foot. It's at 45 degrees parallel with the other one. So if I were to turn this foot out, I'd have my Toyu step, but it's just turned in so the feet are parallel going this direction. So when you kick, you just relax, kick out, relax, put the foot down, and then push up with a bouquet of flowers. So you stand right up into the right leg, staying at this 45-degree angle. It's kind of common after people do the kick that they just fall into that leg as they put it down. So they'll kick and so now you're kind of falling into it. So you want to relax. Do that danyu into the leg. Come up, open, kick, relax, step, push. Up into the bouquet, nice and tall. Then you're going to relax back down. So you're going to do a one-legged danyu into the right leg and step out. So there's no weight in that leg. So the bouquet of flower just stays there, just kind of relaxes into the danyu. And then once that foot steps, so now you're stepping from the direction of the kick, you're stepping 90 degrees. So 45 from this foot, so you step down. And as that foot plants, this left hand drops, goes around in a circle, comes up. The right hand is dropping in front, and you make two fists at the finish. So paying attention to this turning and bringing the arms around with the turn. This is very similar. Of course, we're doing a Toyu as we go forward. So we're going to Toyu forward, but we're also going to incorporate this exercise, this foundation. So you turn and the arm comes around with the turn. So this exercise is that foundation is exactly the same here. So the arms are doing two different things at the same time, but it's coordinated with the turn of the body. So the left arm will drop palm down, sweep out to the side, come around, and the elbow drops as you come forward. So you don't want to swing the elbow out. It drops down. So you sit, step, and then this hand just drops as you push from the leg, come up, and into the front. So it lines up with the shoulders, like Toyu. The right hand, as you sit down and step, the right hand moves slower than the left hand, and all it does is comes flat in front of the body. So the left hand is going faster, the right hand a little bit slower, so different timing on the arms as you toyu forward. So, I'm going to do it from this direction. So deflect, parry, punch. Come up and kick right. Relax and step. Push up with a bouquet of flowers. Relax into the right leg. Step. The left hand drops. You push from the back leg. Circle the left arm around. And finish in front with the toyu. So all your weight now is relaxed into the front leg. So that's strike tiger left, and then you're going to go into strike tiger right. So you're going to end up turning 90 degrees, or 180 degrees, total, yes, 180 degrees, going totally the opposite direction to do strike tiger right. So from the kick, from the punch, up, kick, put the foot down 45 degrees, up with a bouquet, step to the left, strike tiger right. Now to come around for strike tiger right, you're going to start to push from the left leg, turn the wrists, palms open, so you've got a bouquet of flowers on the left side, and you pivot the left foot around on the heel so that you're pigeon-toed. So the weight shifts a little bit to the right so you can pivot, and then stand up on the left leg, and then again you relax down, step, and then the right hand drops in a circle just like the left hand did before, and the left hand drops flat in front. So it's exactly the same, except the right arm does the big circle for strike tiger right. So from the bouquet for strike tiger left, relax down, step, left arm circles, right arm drops flat, and then you push from the left leg, palms open, pivot on the heel so you're pigeon-toed, stand up on the left, relax into left leg, step with the right arm circles down and around, the left arm folds flat. So again, you're just doing a toyu to come forward. The arm that's in front is level with the ground, across here, so you don't want the elbow to drop down, the arm is level, and flat in front here. Two different ways you can do it when you do strike tiger left. You can have an open space in here between the hand, or between the fist and the arm. I've also seen people actually coming together and touching here, so it kind of makes a little more solid finish to it. Just don't punch your arm, you'll probably leave bruises. If you watch Mr. Moy, he generally tends to leave it open here. And then it turns. So now I'm going to turn 45 in this direction, I'm going to step, and then when I finish, I've come around 180 degrees from strike tiger left. Okay, so time for some follow along here. Which direction would be the best, Shelley? I don't know. Okay, I think what we'll do is we'll try a couple different directions here. So I'm going to start off doing it this way with the punch, the deflect parry punch. So we're going to do strike tiger left that way, then we'll turn all the way around and do strike tiger right that direction. Okay, so left leg forward, deflect parry punch. We're going to pivot, come up and cross, open, kick, relax and step down, up with a bouquet of flowers. Relax, left step, left arm sweeps in a big circle, right arm falls flat. Then turn, open the palms, pivot on the heel, relax, right step, right arm circles around, left arm folds flat. Okay, let's do that again. Deflect parry punch. Pivot. Kick right. Relax, step down, push up, bouquet of flowers. Relax, left step, left arm sweeps around in a big circle. 2 fists. Pivot on the heel, palms open. Relax. Now you're going to step. You got a toyu step, so you just toyu, right arm circles, left arm folds flat. Okay, so let's do it the other direction now. Deflect parry punch. Pivot. Up and cross. Right heel kick. Relax. Step down. Push up. Bouquet of flowers. Left step. Left arm circles. Push from the left leg. Turn on the heel, open the palms, all the weight in the left leg, relax, step, right arm circles, left arm folds flat. One more time. Up with a bouquet, relax into the right leg, step with the left, left arm circles, strike tiger left. Pivot around on the heel, open the palms, stand up, relax down, step, right arm circles, strike tiger right. So practice lots. That's a great little sequence you can do in a very small space. Incorporates toyus, the turning exercise, the arm rotations, lots of stuff in there to play around with. And somebody had mentioned on an email some tips that they had, because they were noticing how much I was wobbling, of course. Now I was wobbling because a little bit of tightness from some injuries doing some work and stuff. It's mostly in my left ankle, so it was making it a little tough to balance and kick. They had some great tips for getting your balance. One of them they were saying is when you come up is to get the arms to express out and open, not too far, but coming up and getting this open, and then bringing the knee up. When you get the leg up, then the foot can go out, bring it back in, and then put it down. It's a good way because it helps to keep you centered and balanced, and really appreciate the suggestion. The one thing you have to be careful with that is you're not holding the leg. So when you come up, you don't want to sort of get this and then kick out and then bring it in. Puts a lot of tension into the hip. So you want to get it a little more relaxed, let it open, and so it comes out, but everything expands, and then relax. Don't hold the leg up, I guess is what I'm saying. Yes, bring it back in. Helps to sort of centralize everything again, but don't let it tense up. Don't hold that leg in position, and then just sort of that's the karate stuff, it's snap kicks and stuff like that. Keep it relaxed. Let it open, and then let it relax. So there's an expansion and then a contraction. Play around with it. Practice your kicks. I know I got to. So, and I think that's probably everything for this week. I've been working like crazy the last month and a half here building harps. We've got a harp show out in Vancouver Island. So if you're out that way, certainly stop in. It's on February 9th. All the stuff's going to be on the website. We're going to be doing a Tai Chi workshop in Chase, BC on the 2nd of February. And then also in Parksville with the Parksville Shores Tai Chi group in Parksville out on the island. And that's on February 6th. So it's a one-day workshop. So love to see any of you out there. Hope to hear from you. Check out the website, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our channel, all that good stuff. Send us comments. Take care. We'll see you again. Bye.